Hi guys, I'm here to talk to you about your Bellwork for 10-9. So it says to do in your cuaderno, and it says, please draw the following body parts and tell me how to say it in Espanol, and remember the L/law. So if you're thinking to yourself, I'm doing this on Google Sheets, how am I going to draw it? So it should end up looking something kind of like this. So how did I make this? I made a drawing. So let's review how to do that. You're going to come over here to your insert tab. I lied. It's the insert tab. And you're going to insert a drawing. And so you should end up with this checkered board right here. And then you just need to look at all of the items that I'm asking for. You need an eye, an arm, a foot, and hair. So you're going to come over here to the image, and you're going to insert an image of all of these items. So an image, and you're going to go to search. So that allows you to search Google, livestock image, etc. So our first image is an eyeball. Great. So just type in eye. And you can either hit enter or the blue search. I'll just hit enter. And I would just stay within these first 8 images that pop up, or however many images pop up. You don't need to go like scrolling around. It's just kind of like a waste of your own time. So you're just hit eye and then select. And then if it pops up large, obviously you're going to need to resize. So use your sizing handles. Make sure it has a blue outline around it, and get it a nice size. And then, oh, I clicked off. Whoops. And then just kind of move it. And you're going to do the same thing for each of your items. So that's a text box. And this is your image. So you've done an eye. Now you need what? An arm. Okay. So you do arm, etc., etc. So that is the first part. So we're going to close that. You also need to tell me how to say it in Espanol and remember the L in the law. So you're going to come over here and label each one of them. So you're going to come over here and write it in Espanol. So write it in Espanol with the L/law. Okay, so if you have any questions, make sure you ask. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Adios. Bye.